Navigate to Aeronyde OpenSky homepage and click the Login Sign Up link in the upper right-hand corner. To begin, click the blue Sign Up button and enter your first and last name, your cell phone number, a valid email, and your password. Note: your cell phone will be used to log in using secure two-factor authentication, and your FAA flight authorization code will be sent to your email address, so double-check to ensure both are current and valid. Next, click the blue Read Terms and Conditions button, read the FAA privacy statement, and then click the blue Privacy button at the top of the screen to agree. Then, click the blue One UAS button to acknowledge that you will not use OpenSky to coordinate swarm operations. And then click the blue Planning button to agree to use OpenSky's free planning tools prior to flight, which enables you to check for any possible changes that could impact your operation. Now, click the blue Continue to Sign Up button and do a final check to confirm that your personal information is current and valid before clicking the Sign Up button. Now that you've successfully created your Aeronyde OpenSky account, log in by entering your email and password. Once you've clicked the Login button, you'll be asked to enter your unique 6-digit flight code, which was automatically sent to your mobile device. Then, click the Submit button to finish logging in. Welcome to your Aeronyde OpenSky dashboard. Click Plan Your First Flight Plan to begin. Start by typing your desired location into the search bar, or simply zoom into the area you would like to plan your first flight. Blue circles are used to denote controlled airspace, where FAA authorization is required to legally conduct commercial drone operation. Green boxes denote LAANC Ready Controlled Airspace, where you can receive instant flight authorization through this portal. Red boxes denote controlled airspace that is not LAANC ready. Flights in these areas will require you to contact your local air traffic controller for authorization. Unclassified areas do not require FAA authorization to fly, but you should always notify local property owners to ensure safe operation. To begin planning your mission, click Enter Flight Details, adjust the date and time, and press OK to confirm. Then enter your altitude to reflect your flight plan, and enter a short description of your flight such as real estate filming, and click Save to continue. Note: numbers within the green boxes indicate the maximum flight altitude for that area, measured in feet above ground level. Planning flights above this altitude will require further coordination with the FAA for approval, so make sure your altitude is below this number. Next, define the boundaries of your flight path using the polygon tool, found in the right-hand corner of the map. Once you're satisfied with the flight boundary you've created, close the polygon by returning to the first point you selected. This should change the color of the polygon from orange to blue. Don't worry, you can still modify the shape, size, and position of the flight path by simply clicking once on the polygon. Now that you've finalized your flight path, click Save Flight Path, then Validate Operation at the top of your screen. Click Next to view your flight details, check nearby airports and stadiums, and see other notices and TFRs in your area. Finally, click Submit to FAA to finalize the submission process, and click Continue to Dashboard to check your authorization status. Congratulations! This is your FAA authorization reference number. This number is used by local air traffic controllers to quickly look up and verify that your flight has been authorized and is legal. An official message will be automatically sent to your email with this FAA authorization reference number and the information you'll need to prove that you're clear to fly legally. LAANC safety tips. Unlike flights in uncontrolled airspace, altitude limits in controlled airspace are absolute values above ground level, which shall not be added to the height of any structures. This helps to prevent collisions with low-flying airplanes that are taking off and landing at nearby airports. Operations are not authorized in Class E airspace, where there is a weather ceiling less than 1,000 feet above ground level. So remember to use Aeronyde's free planning tools to check local weather conditions, TFRs, NOTAMs, and SUAs an hour prior to takeoff. This authorization is subject to cancellation at any time upon notice by the FAA administrator or his or her authorized representative. So remember to log in and double check the status of your authorization an hour prior to takeoff. Having trouble getting your FAA reference number? Visit our website to see videos on how to handle further coordination with the FAA, get answers to frequently asked questions, and find out what you can do to make your local airport a LAANC-ready facility. And remember, safety is no accident, and the sky's no limit.